Hello, this is Diego Custode. I am show you what is the assignment for this week. This week we create some app for the telephones for platform Android and iOS. In this we create the Notes application and we storage this in a database. So we have many notes what we need to create in any telephone. So we can enter a new note. I don't know what note is, anything. Okay. Okay. Like we can save. The other thing we can do is navigate for all the notes we need to show, and we can as well delete anyone, or we can edit anything. So you can save, and that's it. What is we can then navigate for different pages. This is the application, and thank you for watching.